In this video, I'm going to go over an expected value problem that deals with a roulette table. So this problem reads, a roulette wheel has 38 numbers with 18 black, 18 red, and 2 green. The colors are equally spaced from each other, and we will concentrate on two types of bets. The first type is if you place your money on the correct color, black or red, you win the equivalent of your bet. Otherwise, you lose your bet. The second type is if you place your money on the correct number, you'll win 35 times your bet. Otherwise, you lose your bet. And we're going to round our answer to 4 decimal places. Now with the expected value, you're going to take the probability of that event happening times the amount you're going to gain or lose, and you're going to do that for each possible outcome. So for part A, it says you're going to bet $170 on black, find the expected value of your bet. Okay, so what are the different outcomes here? We can land on black and win, or we land on something that's not black and we're going to lose. Okay, so if you land on black, you're going to win even money or $170. So we're going to gain $170. And what's the probability of landing on black? We have 18 black out of a total 38. That's going to be 18 over 38. Our second event, if we don't land on black, we're going to lose $170. And the probability of that happening is going to be, either red is 18 versus 2 green, so a total of 20. And that's going to be out of 38. Okay, so if I take 170 times 18 over 38 minus 170 times 20 over 38, that's going to give me negative 8.9474. Okay. In our second event, we had to subtract minus 170 because that's going to lose. So when it's going to gain money, it's going to be positive. If we're going to lose money, it needs to be negative. All right, so our answer here is negative 8.9474. Now part B says you bet $90 on your lucky number, find the expected value of your bet. Okay, so here we're just choosing one of the numbers on the roulette table. Okay, so that's going to be 1 out of 38 for choosing one number. Okay, now in this case, when you're betting on a number, you win 35 times your bet amount. So that's going to be 90 times 35, times your probability of that happening. Now if you don't land on your number, that's going to be 37 out of the 38. That's going to be the probability. And you're going to lose your $90. So minus 90 times 37 over 38. Okay, if you put that in your calculator, you're going to get negative 4.7368. Okay, so again, you're going to lose money. You're going to lose about $4.74 or negative 4.7368. Now part C says you bet $90, split half on black and red, find the expected value of your bet. So in this scenario, you're going to put $45 on black and $45 on red. Now if I land on black, I get my $45 back plus the additional 45, but I'm going to lose $45 from my red bet. So basically I'm going to break even here. So I'm going to gain 0 if I land on black or red. Okay, then there's 18 black, 18 red. So that's going to be 36 over 38. Okay, so I'm going to gain nothing. I'm going to break even if I get black or red. And I'm going to lose the 90 if I land on 2 green, 2 over 38. That's going to give me negative 4.7368. Okay, so landing on black or red, I'm going to break even because I'm going to gain the $45 on one of them, but then lose the other 45 on the other, so I'm going to gain 0 there. So part D says you bet $225 split 3 ways on your 3 favorite numbers. Find the expected value of your bet. Alright, so it's going to be 3 numbers that you choose. If you land on one of those 3 numbers, so 225 split 3 ways is $75. You're going to win 35 times your money. Now if I land on one of those numbers, that means I didn't land on the other 2. And those are $75 each, so you're going to lose $150 on those 2 losing bets. Now altogether, if I land on one of those 3, that's going to be 3 out of 38 chance of you doing that, because there's 3 numbers that I bet on out of a total of 38. And if I land on one of those 3, I'm going to get 75 times 35, but then I'm going to lose 150 that I have on the other 2 numbers. Now if I don't land on any of those 3 numbers, I'm going to lose the whole 225. That's going to be a 35 out of 38 chance. So that's just 38 minus 3. And basically all these probabilities add together are going to add up to 1. Alright, so I put this in the calculator. So it's going to be negative 11.8421. Alright, so again, I'm going to lose. It's going to be $11 and about 84 cents, or negative 11.8421. So part E says you bet $20 on black and $80 on 18. Find the expected value of your bet. Alright, so if you roll and you land on black, you're going to win even money, or $20. But you're going to lose the 80 that you have on 18. Okay, and the probability of that happening landing on black is 18 over 38. Now if you land on 18, you're going to make $80 times 35, because you get 35 times your money. But I'm going to lose the $20 that I have on black. Alright, then multiply that by the probability. That's going to be 1 out of 38, because the 18 represents only one number out of the 38. Now if I don't land on black or 18, I'm going to lose my 20 and my 80, or a total of $100. And the probability of that happening is going to be, now I already have 18 out of 38 and 1 out of 38, so I have 19 numbers, 19 choices that I use up already. So then I'm going to have 19 numbers left over to give me the 38, because 19 plus 19 is 38. Okay, so not landing on the black or the 18, that's 19 out of 38 chance. Okay, so 20 minus 80, which is negative 60, times 18 over 38, plus the quantity 80 times 35 minus 20 times 1 over 38. Minus 100 times 19 over 38. That's going to give you negative 5.2632. Okay, so about, you're going to lose about $5.26, or negative 5.2632. Now part F says if you played your bet in part E 205 times, how much money would you have? Okay, so in part E, we lost the 5.2632. And if we do this bet 205 times, it's just going to be your expected value times 205. So you multiply that out, you get negative 1,078.956. Okay, so basically on average each time you would lose the 5.2632, and you need to multiply it by 205 to see how much you would lose after doing it 205 times. So I hope this video helped you understand how to do expected value using the roulette table.